Our next Impact Award recipient has been a tremendous Temple Chamber of Commerce leader. And in fact, well, he should be. He is a 26-year Army veteran, a former Sergeant Major. He has been a vital part of the Chamber's Military Affairs Committee and took a leadership role in the Chamber's Adopt a Unit program. He has done so much as a liaison with our friends at Fort Hood. We are honored to present an Impact Award to the Senior Director of Business Development at McLean Advanced Technologies, to Mr. Dan Elder. Congratulations, Dan.